Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All of the students already joined in the online classroom, right? Who is absent today?
Syafril, Miss.
Syafril, Miss.
Syafril, okay. Before we start our class today, let's pray together for ourselves, our country, and the whole world. May Allah give a sensibility and healing to anyone who is not well today. Pray begins. Enough. Hello everyone, how are you today?
Hello, Miss. I'm fine.
Hello, Miss. I'm fine, Miss.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Hanis Novitasari. You can call me Miss Hanis. Oh yeah, is there anyone can help me to share the material
Miss.
today? Okay, Miss Laila, please. Semuanya sudah bisa melihat ya materi kita?
Yes,
Sudah.
Miss.
Okay. Nah, today we are talking about sending you love. It sounds interesting, right? Sangat menarik ya, teman-teman semua.
Yes.
Menarik, Miss.
Nah, I mean here, sending you love is not the material today, but it's a theme. Anyone can guess what the material about related on this theme? Apakah ada yang bisa menebak apa sih yang akan kita bahas hari ini terkait dengan sending you love? Ada yang tahu? No one?
Love letter.
Oh, love letter. Okay. Next, Miss Laila. Next slide.
Bentar, Miss.
Okay. Nah, ini dia materinya ya. We are talking about greeting card. I think all of you are familiar with greeting card or maybe you ever made it. Nah, mungkin teman-teman semua di sini sudah familiar ya dengan greeting card atau bahkan ada yang pernah membuat, menerima. Sekarang apa sih itu greeting card? A greeting card is an illustrated card used to convey an expression of friendship or other feeling. Nah, jadi greeting card ini adalah sebuah kartu ilustrasi untuk menunjukkan atau menunjukkan apa yang kita rasakan terhadap apa yang menimpa orang lain gitu ya. Jadi greeting card ini seperti expression dari kita untuk other feeling. You can take a look on the picture. There are two girls, right? I think they are sending love to share their feeling. To give inspiration or spirit. Nah, di situ ada dua gambar ya. Maybe one of them feeling bad or feeling sad. Jadi mungkin salah satu dari mereka ada yang sedang sedih. Jadi kita seperti memberikan care with another gitu. Nah, itulah fungsi dari greeting card. Jadi the function of greeting card to congratulate, to wish, or to show sympathy for someone. Nah, jadi fungsi dari greeting card ini adalah untuk memberikan selamat atas perayaan, harapan untuk kesembuhan dan juga simpati atas kehilangan. Nah, itu. I think we are as human in this world, in this social life, we must care about another ya, teman-teman ya. Kita harus saling peduli kepada orang lain. Nah, ini adalah social function dari greeting card. Nah, in this material, we are taught to be care with another. Okay, next. After we know about definition and social function, now we talk about expression. Jadi setelah kita tahu apa sih definisi dan juga social function dari greeting card untuk menunjukkan peduli kita kepada orang lain. Nah, sekarang bagaimana ekspresi yang kita harus gunakan untuk menunjukkan bahwa kita ini peduli loh kepada sesama each other gitu. Jadi there are 3 expression: congratulations, speed recovery, and sympathy. Okay, the first is congratulation. In this expression usually followed by sentence congratulations, happy birthday, happy anniversary, and happy Father's Day. I think here related to the happy moment ya. Jadi hari-hari bahagia, hari-hari perayaan, special day. For example, Eid Mubarak, also Christmas, seperti itu. Jadi if your friends or your family has graduated, maybe you can use this expression. You can give her or him a greeting card. You can say happy graduation. My all of the knowledge is useful for us gitu. Semoga ilmu yang kamu dapatkan bisa bermanfaat seperti itu. Then the next is speed recovery. In this expression usually followed by sentence get well soon, send you my brightest wishes, may you feel better soon. Nah, di sini related to the harapan ya, wish untuk kesembuhan. Di sini send you my brightest wishes, memberikan harapan yang baik untukmu. Semoga kamu lekas membaik seperti itu. For example, if your friends absent today, maybe April 6, mungkin you can give him greeting card untuk menunjukkan bahwa kalian care sama Safril gitu kan. Get well soon, Safril, seperti itu bisa lewat WhatsApp atau lewat apa terserah. Then about sympathy. This expression usually followed by sentence, I'm sorry to hear that, my deepest condolence, and we are deeply sorry. This expression usually related to the sad moment ya, or bisa digunakan untuk, for example, if everyone around you lost someone, bisa digunakan ini. For example, gini, you can use this expression by say my deepest condolence. Your cat maybe will always happiness there and like last day gitu ya. Misalkan ada temanmu yang kehilangan kucing atau hewan peliharaan lainnya, bisa digunakan ekspresi ini. My deepest condolence itu ikut berbelasungkawa ya, ikut berduka cita yang sangat dalam itu. Okay, next. Nah, setelah kita tahu expression yang ada dalam greeting card, sekarang we talk about the structure. Ini related to the how to create the greeting card. There are 3 parts in the structure of greeting card: receiver, body, and the last is sender. The first is receiver. Receiver is to whom the greeting card written for, and usually put on the top of greeting card and followed by word dear and to. Jadi receiver ini adalah untuk siapa surat kartu ucapan ini dibuat, dan biasanya diletakkan di bagian paling atas, kartu yang paling atas, dan diikuti dengan kata-kata dear. Nah, contohnya ini dear mom, bisa juga dear my boyfriend atau apa. Then the second is body. In this part contains expression, quote, and picture. Nah, di body ini adalah main part dari greeting card ya. Di sini ada expression. You can use several expression tadi yang kita bahas di body. Nah, ini contohnya Happy Mother's Day. Nah, di sini adalah expression of congratulation ya, teman-teman. Then you also give quotes here. Di sini quotes-nya, I wish your days be blessed with smile, love, and happiness. Saya berharap semoga hari-harimu penuh dengan syukur, dengan senyum, cinta, dan juga kebahagiaan. Nah, then you also insert the picture untuk membuat greeting card yang kalian create itu interesting ya, teman-teman. Bisa juga picture yang related to the condition, related to the expression yang kamu gunakan dalam greeting card ini. Di sini ada gambar mother and her daughter, right? Nah, for example, if you wanna give a sympathy expression, you can use deep color maybe or desain yang menunjukkan bahwa kalian ini ikut berduka gitu, ikut berbela-sungkawa. Then the last is sender. Sender is the writer of the greeting card. Jadi sender ini adalah pengirim dari kartu ucapan. Biasanya diletakkan di paling bawah dan usually followed by word with love, your best friend. Nah, di sini your favorite daughter. Itu bisa juga your favorite girlfriend atau apa. Related to the greeting card that you create. Okay, next. Next, Miss Laila. Nah, after we know about the structure, expression, and then the definition of greeting card, sekarang let's analyze card. Is there any question so far? No?
Not yet, Miss.
Miss.
Okay.
Miss.
Sekarang kita coba analisis kartu. There are two greeting cards and with different expression. Anyone can help me to read this first card? Ada yang bisa membantu saya untuk membacakan greeting card yang pertama?
Nih, saya.
Oke, Laila, please.
To Senja. Get well soon. The class feel empty without you. We pray for your speed recovery. Alinia and Nada.
Oke, thank you, Miss Laila. Then, the second card. Anyone can help me? Yuk, ada yang bisa membantu saya?
Saya, Miss.
Oke, Miss Lintang, please.
Dear Aksa, my deepest condolences to you and your family. Your mother was an inspiring and she will be missed. Your best friend, Bunga.
Nah, di sini is the same or different expression? Apakah sama atau beda, teman-teman di sini? Ekspresi yang digunakan.
I think it's quite different, Miss.
Okay, quite different ya. Let's take a look on the first card. The expression in this card is get well soon. Nah, di sini ekspresinya menunjukkan apa? Menunjukkan speed recovery ya, untuk harapan kesembuhan, wish. Oke, di sini ada beberapa pertanyaan. Untuk first card, receiver. Jadi, who is receiver in the first card? Siapa receivernya kira-kira? Siapa? Senja atau Alinia?
Senja.
Senja, Miss. Saya, Miss.
Oke.
Senja.
Senja ya.
Alinea.
The receiver?
Ya.
Senja ya teman-teman, karena di situ ada keywordnya to senja, and then put on the top of the card. Jadi diletakkan di kartu yang paling atas, bagian paling atas ya, betul sekali, senja. Then the second card, who is receiver here? Siapa receiver ya?
Aksa, Miss.
Aksa, okay, thank you for your answer, Aksa. Then who is the sender on the first card?
Alenia and Nada.
Alinea and Nada.
Okay. Then the second card,
Bunga. Bunga.
Oke, bunga. Di situ ada keyword your best friend. Then the expression in the first card. What the expression used in here? Wish for speed recovery, congratulations, or sympathy.
Sympathy.
Sympathy?
Speed recovery.
Speed recovery.
But sympathy or speed recovery?
Speed recovery.
Okay, thank you. That's right. Expression here is wish for speed recovery ya. Di situ ada pray for your speed recovery. Jadi harapan untuk kesembuhan. Then the second card, what is the expression used here? Sympathy, congratulations, or wish for speed recovery? Apa kira-kira?
Sympathy.
She will be missed.
Sympathy.
Ya, sympathy, right? Di sini menggunakan expression sympathy ya, karena di situ ada keywordnya my deepest condolence, and then she will be missed. Di situ keywordnya. Then next slide. Miss Laila. Okay, thank you. Here, I'll give you the several questions, 5 questions. You answer based on the greeting card. Boleh dibaca dulu ya greeting card-nya. Dipahami dulu. Sudah paham? Coba sekarang yang bisa menjawab number 1. Adakah what is the card for? Anyone can guess? What the answer?
Saya, Miss.
Okay, Miss Lintang, please.
The card is for to giving congrats for the new baby.
Oke, betul sekali jawabannya. Jadi, what is the card for? Apa tujuan dibuat dari greeting card ini? Nah, jadi tujuannya adalah to giving congratulations for the new baby. Then number 2, maaf. Anyone can guess? Who is the sender?
The
Siapa
sender is Kiki. Anissa, Miss.
Oke, Anissa. Jadi pengirimnya di sini adalah Kiki. Di situ ada your nephew, Kiki, keywordnya. Oke, the number 3, the third question. Ada yang bisa menjawab?
Me, Miss.
Oke, please, Miss Denny.
The answer is Auntie Embun, Miss. She has
Okay.
the new baby.
Okay, correct answer. Thank you, Miss Denny. Then
Yeah, Miss.
number 4.
Me, Miss.
Okay, please.
The answer is yes, she is.
Okay, is the baby girl? Nah, we can know the answer is yes, she is girl. Di situ ada keywordnya. I cannot wait to cooking with her. Nah, ini menunjukkan her itu dia perempuan, dia kepada babynya. Berarti babynya itu girl ya. Then the last question. Ada yang bisa menebak?
Me, Miss.
Okay, Miss Risma, please.
They feel happy.
Okay, they feel happy for the new baby. Okay. I think enough. We are talking about greeting card today. Is there any question?
Not yet, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, not yet. Karena so far so good, and I think so far so clear also. I'll give you a project. based on greeting card. Jadi tugasnya setelah ini, all of you must check our Google Classroom. I put your project there. Jadi you must create the greeting card related to the condition. Jadi kalian bisa membuat greeting card yang sesuai dengan apa yang kalian rasakan saat ini gitu. For example, your friends graduation, or you feel you will give Sapril, your friend, greeting card to wish speed recovery, itu juga bisa ya. Jadi kalian bisa membuat greeting card, dan juga you can write by your own or using layout, bisa ditulis tangan atau bisa menggunakan layout. Nah, itu ya tugas kalian. You must submit this project before tomorrow at 10 p.m. Ada yang ditanyakan tentang projectnya?
Not yet, Miss.
No?
Belum.
Okay. I think enough for today. Thanks for your participant today, and let's close our meeting today by saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Stay happy, stay healthy, and don't forget to care each other. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.